Hey creators! Today I'm going to show you something super fun, creating your very own AI images with OpenAI AI. And yes, you don't need any design skills for this. Let's make a dog image together. Imagine a cute dog that looks so real you could almost pet it. First, open OpenAI AI tools and go straight to the image generator. Clean interface, super simple to use. Now type your idea. I'll type a playful golden retriever puppy sitting on fresh green grass, soft sunlight, realistic fur, happy expression, ultra HD quality. See how adding style, lighting, mood, and details makes a huge difference? That's the secret to stunning AI images. Next, pick your style. I'll go with realistic and set the image size for social media. Then hit generate and boom. Look at that. The fur looks soft, the light hits perfectly, and the expression is full of life. No Photoshop, no camera, just pure AI magic. Want a new variation? Just tweak the prompt. Maybe a dog running on the beach during sunset with cinematic lighting. Endless possibilities. You can use these images for posts, ads, thumbnails, websites, or even just for fun. Every image is unique, fast, and ready to share. So here's the takeaway. OpenAI AI doesn't just make images. It turns your ideas into visuals, helps you create content, and even boosts your creativity. Ready to bring your imagination to life? Open OpenAI AI, type your idea, and let the magic happen. Remember, your creativity is the only limit. Start generating, share your creations, and make every idea a masterpiece. Let's create something amazing today with OpenAI AI.